give that advice for, let's say, a dentist or, somebody who's not a real estate savvy person? How would they start to invest if they have, $100,000 or $1 million? Because it becomes very difficult to find something at those prices.
Safety.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it is. It is safety. It's diversification of your portfolio.
Okay.
You mentioned dentists. You know that I have two brother-in-laws, which for me are like my brothers, because one of them was 7 years old when I started to date your mom, and the other one was 9.
Uh-huh.
So one of them doesn't remember almost life without me being there. So they're my brothers.
Yeah.
And as you know, I'm pushing them to buy some of this kind of real estate. It's for safety, for their retirement, for their heirs as well.
Right.
Like in the case of Alex,
Right.
it's for their heirs, and it's basically safety.
How would they be able to, would you recommend that they partner with people, or how would you feel about that, partnerships and going into group crowdfunding or anything like that with people you don't know? Or if, there's so many deals out there that maybe they can't take down a $15 million deal, where like that would be hard for a lot of people. How do they get started if they can't get to that level?
To me, it's very important who do you invest with.
Mm-hmm.
Very important. I would never invest in one of those funds because a lot of people are going for the internal rate of return, the cash flow. The more cash flow you're looking for, the riskier the deal is.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't like to invest with that unless it's somebody that I really, really, really know. And you know who those people are. Because there's a lot of scams out there. So I like to see somebody who's got the experience, somebody that really knows what they're doing, and that they have the same philosophy as I do.
Right.
I would invest with somebody like that, but you have to be incredibly careful.
Right.
There are a lot of bad people out there or not knowledgeable people out there, and I would not put my money to risk with them.
Come meet us over at signetinvestments.com. There you'll have access to our full podcast and articles archives. Also, if you subscribe there, you'll get new updates sent straight to your inbox. You can also find us across all social media platforms. Our handle is Signet Investing. Thank you, and invest wisely.